Kroger has now decided it's going to join Walmart and restricting the age, putting an age limit on the sale of guns and ammunition to age 21. Maggie Lake is with me.
Hello, Richard. Welcome back.
Thank you. I've got a bit of a don't get too close.
Yes. Froggy voice.
Absolutely. What's all this about?
Listen, this is about businesses taking a stand where politicians won't, anticipating a backlash, but I think not maybe getting as big of one as they had feared. They're saying, listen, this is the right thing to do. We know some customers are going to be upset, but we've been looking on social media over the last few days, a lot of people responding positively, a lot of the parents at Parkland very emotionally getting on national television and responding, and investors seem okay with it. Kroger's up today. Walmart was up.
Hang on. Kroger is a grocery store.
I know, that's what...
You go and buy your fruit and veg
Only
there.
in the U.S. No, actually, this is about a certain chain they have, Fred Meyer's stores.
Right.
It's not really in their food stores. They've got these other stores, and that's where they're going to change these rules.
Steel tariffs, what happened? I thought we were getting steel tariffs today.
Is anything going to be clear-cut coming out of D.C.? Absolutely not. We're trying to figure out gun policy. We're also trying to figure out where they are with trade. A lot of people were very nervous that we were going to get a rush decision on tariffs today. Steel executives are at the Capitol Hill, are at the White House, but it's now a listening session. We understand they're putting that off. There's a lot of relief. There's a feeling that this wasn't well communicated. Not everyone knew what was going on. And remember, you know, Richard, from talking to business leaders, the business community does not want this, does not like this. There's a thought that some within the administration, like Gary Cohn, are not in favor of this. They want a much more measured response. Looks like those voices prevailed, and they're backing off a little bit now and studying the subject.
Good. We'll have more of you in the program later.
Yes, okay.
On QVC. Well, I'm not you personally, but the
Okay, news to me, but I'm here for you, Richard.
Thank you. Always, as always, Maggie Lake. When we come back.